Hi everyone, this is Sandy and thank you for joining me in my channel. I want to show you, or I want to do a tutorial today of a flipbook cover that I made for a 4 pocket letter page like this one here. This one is one of those 3x4 pockets by Becky Higgins. It's her Project Life photo pocket page, and it comes with 4 pockets. And I did do a video showing you a flipbook, which is this one here, of the inside of how it's made, and so I'm going to show you how you could make one of these as well. So what I wanted to do was make a cover for the pocket letter, so that when I send it off to my pen pal or recipient, it'll be sent to her in a nice cover, and also give her some more goodies, and also embellish a flipbook for her to look at. So I'll just give you another quick run through of this one and how it looks like, and then I'll do a tutorial for you as well. I've put a shaker tag here as well, and I did have a few of you ask me how I made the shaker tag, so I will also do a tutorial on this one. This shaker tag was actually a tag die, but I'll do one as well, so you can make one if you don't have a die. So that will be on my next video, hopefully. But I'll quickly give you a run through of the cover. So this is the front cover, and this one is a Valentine's Day theme flipbook. And then you open it up, and this is how it looks on the back of the front page. I added another page here as well, and then I just added some envelopes to add more goodies in here. And then when you flip that over, this is the back cover, the back of the page, and I've just made it a large embellished layout on that side. And this here is your pocket for pocket letter page, and the pockets are 3 by 4 inches. So I've embellished all of the front of the pocket, and then at the back I added all their goodies in the back there. And this is the back cover, and that's the back of the flipbook. So I'm going to show you how you could make one as well if you wanted to also make a cover to go for your pocket sleeve letter. Okay, so what we'll need is you'll need 2 pieces of paper, or double-sided paper preferably, that way it always looks nice on the other side as well. Okay, so for your first paper you will need a sheet of paper that measures 12 inches by 8 3/4, and we are going to I'll just put that to the side. You will need your scoreboard for this. If you don't have a scoreboard, you can just mark it with a ruler, and then you just fold your score lines with where you've marked it. Okay, so on the 12-inch side, you'll want to, also if your cover is, your front cover if it's going to, decide which is your front cover, so, and if this is going to be your front cover, that needs to be face down on your scoreboard. Okay, so you'll need, on the 12-inch side, you will need to score it at 4 inches. So if you don't have a scoreboard, just make a mark at 4 inches there, and 4 inches here with a pencil. Just do a light mark, and then draw a light line going down. And the next score line is at 4.5 inches all the way down, and 5 inches all the way down. So I'll just repeat that. So it's 4 inches, 4.5 inches, and 5 inches. And that's it for your scoring. Next we're just going to fold these score lines, and what we'll do first is we'll fold the center score line first, and so what we'll do is we'll fold that up or back onto itself like that. And you really give your fold a good press. Okay, the next step is your first score line here. We are just going to fold that up. So if you don't have a scoreboard and you've got a rule, just when you draw the line, just fold where the line is. And then fold that back. Give that a good crease. So now your page should look like that. Now we've got one more fold line here. We are just going to bring the flap up and fold it back. Like that. Or just go like that. So we just want to create like a W shape. Like that. So then when you open it up, you'll have like a flap here sticking up. Okay, so the next step you want to do is you'll need some liquid adhesive glue, preferably a good strong one. Flip your paper over, and on the valley fold here we'll just apply some glue. I mean, you can use double-sided tape, but I don't know how strong that will hold the binding together. And then we'll just sandwich that together like that. And just fold that down. Okay, so then your flap should be closed up like that, and you'll have that sitting up. Okay, we're just about done. Quite an easy project to do. The next step is you'll need your next sheet of paper, and you want that to be cut at 7 inches by 8 3/4 inches, and that will be this page here. So sometimes the washi tape doesn't really adhere quite well. So that's for this page here. So what we want to do here is we are going to adhere this page, just decide which side you want facing as your front cover, like I have here. So I think I'm going to have that one facing that way. Okay, so the next step is you'll need some double-sided tape for this one now. I'll just use this one here. So you just run a strip of double-sided tape onto the flap, not sort of in the middle of the flap and away from the score line as well, so about in the middle there. And actually what we'll do, we'll apply some more double-sided tape here as well to the other side, above the score line, not too close to the score line if you can. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll peel off the backing of the first on the left side of the flap, and grab your sheet of paper that measured 7 inches by 8 3/4, and we just want to line it up onto that flap, but above the score line if you can, because otherwise you won't be able to move your page. So just above the score line, line it up like that. Okay, so then your page should be able to flip open like that, and that's your cover. Alright, so the next step is we will take the other backing of the tape out of that side. And then you just grab your 4-pocket page letter, and we are going to, let me just see, yeah, sorry, just the part here where you've got the holes, you just want to line that up as well onto just in the center of the just sort of center it from the top to the bottom. So that's where you want it. Okay, so what you should have now is you'll have your front, which is that one, and that's your page, and then you have your pocket letter page, and that's your back. And what I do is just to cover the this bit here, I will just usually just add some washi tape. So I'll just add some washi tape here. It's just to cover the fold that we did. Just flip that over. So that just gives it a nice finish. And then on this side here, I also apply some washi tape like I've done here. I'll go ahead and do that. I got this washi tape from AliExpress, in case you wanted to know where I purchased this one from. And then the next page, sorry, and the next page, actually it doesn't get, it's just applied to the back here, onto this side, just to cover the holes. And that's basically it. It's very easy. And I also made a cover also for the 9th pocket page letter as well. I think I did. Oh no, I didn't. Sorry, I haven't gone to that one yet. We'll make a cover for that one as well. Alright, so we'll just start from the beginning again, and then all you've got to do is just embellish your cover and your page, and it's ready to be sent off. So again, that's your cover, and this is your page. I've put envelopes on my one, and then you turn that over, and that's your embellished page. So it's still not sticking well. Okay. Sorry. Okay, and that's your, and this is your pocket page here, and that's your last page. So that's how I made the cover for my 4x4 pocket letter, and hopefully you make one of these as well. I will also do a tutorial again, like I said, for this shaker tag. So yeah, so I hope you make one of these, and thank you for watching.